Greetings, folks. William Caleb from money-counts.blogspot.com back at you with another video. And today what we're going to talk about is the Money Counts Workshop, which you can find at money-counts.blogspot.com, or even if you just go to moneycounts.wcrpro.com, which is right off of my domain here. And what we got here is an actual workshop that was filmed live by a particular full-time marketer that has over 14 years of experience. He's been vetted. He's well known in the industry, and he's really well known because of the amount of success he's achieved at such a young age when he first started out. And he only had one job ever in his life, and this workshop is where he goes over in detail 3 major components of how he was able to quit his first and only one job after just 8 months. There's a step-by-step plan of action that is going to be going over here, and I just want you to see some of the page. Again, this is at moneycounts.wcrpro.com, and you'll see your online business breakthrough is just around the corner when you get this training. I'm telling you, everybody, there's every major detail that you're going to need to get your own self started. That's not going to cause you to have to get a lot of equipment or have to spend as much as expenses. He shows you how to bootstrap your way in, start to finish. There's not going to be anything that's going to be withheld from you or left for you to have to guess. And that's something I really hate about a lot of training programs. They'll go over certain big points to reel you in, but even after you've paid your money and even after you've watched several times, you're still kind of guessing, well, what about the intricacies? What about when I do that, how does that look exactly? Well, in this workshop, you're going to see all that, all the details. And a particular workshop trainer, the name of this veteran marketer is Mr. Paul Counts. And again, just to recap of what you're getting, you can see here what others are saying about Paul. And, no need to worry, I mean, we've got all the value in here, We're talking about, you could have easily spent $2,500 or more for this type of thing to be there, actually personally live in the flesh at this workshop. And here are some bonuses you're also getting. If you go ahead and come to this page, moneycounts.wcrpro.com, you're going to see these following bonuses that Paul is throwing in. And me, William C. Rogers, I'm going to include the following bonuses because I'm teaming up with Paul here. I'm going to throw in a 12-part traffic training course, special streaming training that shows you just the absolute best way to get traffic. And then for those who don't know, traffic simply means getting people to your web business, getting people to your website, getting people to see what you have to offer online. That is called, those people that are coming to see you online is what is known as traffic. And I'm going to show you the absolute best source of traffic. Real people, the best way to get them. We got a really good training there that I'm including. Also got another special training from 2 notoriously well-known 7-figure marketers. I'm not going to tell you, but one of them got this little software that clicks funnels. You might know who I'm talking about. But they're going to be spilling the beans on exact biopsychology, how to tap into the buyer's mindset, and the importance of sales funnels. Sales funnels. You're going to need to hear this training. It's not just about driving traffic, but what about when the people get to your site? What about when they come to you? What's the process look like then? That's what this goes through in the sales funnel biopsychology training. And I'm also throwing in advanced and ongoing live training. There's a special club you'll see Once you get on the inside of here at moneycounts.wcrpro.com, there's a special club on the inside where you get ongoing live training and also a way to get as much as $1,000 per sale of that same training. Okay, but to you though, the training's not gonna cost that. You can come in once you're on the other end of this workshop. Now, we of course have a 30-day money-back guarantee. Don't find too many people taking advantage of that though, because they're getting so much value here. They're getting what you see on this page and more, and the cost currently now is incredibly lowered, incredibly discounted, because I just want to get this in the hands of as many people as I can. And there's Mr. Counts, as me, Paul, and I. And so there you have it. moneycounts.wcrpro.com or money-counts.blogspot.com. You'll come right on over. Go ahead and hit that button there. Like I said, very low cost. Don't know how long it's going to be that. I'm going to keep it that way, but for now, that's what it is. And I want you to also see, once you go ahead and take care of that small cost, what happens after that? What do you actually get? What do you see? Where is all of this information, all these things that you promised located at? Well, you're going to be taken to a live access page, but I can't let you see the URL of that, folks. Can't let you see can't let you see that, folks. That's just for paid people only. Surely you understand that. Let's see if we can get it just right here. One moment. And here we are. The page that only paid customers and clients can see. Once they get on the other end, that's why I want to make sure the URL, the secret access URL, was covered, because you do have to be a paid member. This is going to be your workshop part 1 recording, and of course all the download links, so where you download on the go, download to your hard drive, to your tablet, to your phone, or on an SD card of your own to watch later, so you don't even have to log in. And there's part 2, once again, same links, and of course the link to the notes, link to that 12-part traffic training course. That's the one there. You definitely want to get in. The bonuses alone in this one is worth way more than the cost of the actual workshop, to be honest with you. The workshop is invaluable in itself. More bonuses that I'm giving away, and now that special training, the best way to get traffic to your site. See there? I got it there. That's me right there, folks. And also the what are the sales funnel and buyer psychology training. Me again there, folks, right there. And then the other special links. As you can see, a little something extra there that I didn't even mention on the main page there. But there you have it, folks. That's moneycounts.wcrpro.com. Come on in and get this training. You're gonna love it. It's gonna be something you need. 30-day money back guarantee, but you won't need it. And to top it all off, I even got an affiliate program. Quiet as quick. I got an affiliate program for this whole Money Count workshops, where I pay out 60% instant commissions for any sales you bring in. Look forward to seeing you on the inside. Once again, that's moneycounts.wcrpro.com. Peace and light. Everything's going to be all right.